Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add a 3-paper size in Word. First, open the Word document to be adjusted. After this, you must go to the Layout menu. There, click on Size to see the options available as standard. Click on the option More Paper Sizes. After this, in the Paper Size field, select option A3. There you can see the size that will be adjusted by default. After this, in the Margins tab, you can see how the margins will be modified for this new size. Click on OK and you will be able to see the new size of 4 applied to the Word document. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.